Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2004 to 2008 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and jack up and support the transmission. Unbolt the transmission from the crossmember. With the 15mm and 18mm socket, remove the two bolts on each side of the crossmember retaining it to the frame. Then, remove the factory transmission crossmember. Step 3. Slide the crossmember into place. The round hole next to the two center ovals will be positioned on the driver's side of the vehicle. Using two 18mm sockets, install the two included bolts and nuts on each side of the crossmember. The bolts will be snug, so it is recommended that you screw them through the holes, opposed to hammering them in, to avoid damaging their threads. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. The included stiffener plate will be used during the reinstallation of the transmission. Slide the plate up into the crossmember and secure it and the transmission with the factory hardware. And you're done!